Welcome to the Caribbean, where paradise meets opportunity. Are you looking for ways to make money while living or vacationing in this tropical paradise? Introducing 20 money-making ideas that can turn your Caribbean dreams into reality. Idea number 1. Start a beachside cafe or restaurant, serving delicious Caribbean cuisine to locals and tourists alike. Idea number 2. Become a freelance writer or blogger, sharing your Caribbean adventures and experiences with the world. Idea number 3. Start a tour guide service, showcasing the hidden gems and local attractions of the Caribbean islands. Idea number 4. Create and sell handmade Caribbean crafts, capturing the essence of the island's vibrant culture. These are just a few examples of the exciting opportunities waiting for you in the Caribbean. Whether you're a digital nomad or looking for a side hustle, the Caribbean has something for everyone. So why wait? Start living your Caribbean dream and make money while enjoying the paradise.